Welcome to JH. To set up Waka TV on your smart television, follow these straightforward instructions. First, verify that your device uses the Android TV operating system, as this specific technique is only compatible with Android-based hardware. If your TV uses a different system, this installation method will not function. Next, navigate to the Google Play Store on your screen and look for the Downloader application by AFTNOS. Proceed to download and install it. Before using Downloader to add new software, you must grant permission for installations from external sources. To do this, head into your TV settings, select Device Preferences, then Security and Restrictions. Locate the Unknown Sources section and enable the toggle specifically for the Downloader app. With that configured, launch Downloader. In the address field, type workertv.net or simply input the numeric code 664118. This action directs you to the download site where you can acquire the Waka TV APK file. Once the download finishes, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You will then find Waka TV listed among your other applications. Simply launch it to begin streaming.